Don't move.
Now I feel like I'm gonna twitch as soon as you say don't move.
I'm Edwin, and this is Kimberly. And this is Beyond Hair. So, Kimberly has been cutting her own hair, which has left her with a bob that's a little uneven. So today we're going to tidy it up and put a sharp, clean line in there. I'm also going to show her some KMS products that will help her achieve the straight, chic look she loves.
All right, Kimberly, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this Moisture Repair leave-in in your hair. This is gonna give us like that instant detangling.
Oh.
Give me your little widow's peak.
Yes, I have heard that people who have widow's peaks are more creative, so just saying.
Well, I'm so receding that I gotta have a widow's peak now. I'd love to pick your brain a little bit about what you're doing on social media, because you're kind of like blowing up the world.
Yeah, I mean, I love to have social media as a creative outlet for my makeup. I've been really into doing social media for about 8 years now, and through that 8 years, I've done almost every type of makeup style you can imagine. I went to makeup school in Vancouver, and I had to stop halfway through. I had to get surgery, and my health took a turn. I couldn't work or go back to school for almost 6 months. So during that time, I really wanted to keep up my skills of what I learned. So I started just doing it on myself at home and posting it up on Instagram, and people really started enjoying what I was doing, and I gained a following quite quickly.
I love your self-determination and how you made a bad situation like an amazing situation for yourself.
Thank you. I don't think I ever would have focused on social media like I ended up doing, and because of that, I got to work with a lot of really cool brands over the years, done a lot of cool campaigns. I've gotten to travel a lot, and a lot of really amazing opportunities has come from it.
How many followers do you have?
I have just over 700,000 on Instagram, and then I have a couple 100,000 on TikTok as well.
I'm gonna concentrate on my social media.
Really?
What are my 2 things I'm gonna do from now on?
A good way to get people engaged with you and your page is to ask your audience questions. So ask your audience questions, ask them their opinion on things. People love to give their opinion.
Right.
We all know that.
Even though I don't want to hear it.
But it will help you get more views.
Okay.
So whether that's asking a question in the caption, doing a poll in the caption, because that's something you can do now, encouraging people to comment, I feel like that really helps a lot, and it will help boost your post with the algorithm.
Okay, I love it. This is our multi-benefit spray. It's gonna give some shine, a little bit of body, a little bit of texture, but you don't really feel it in the hair. Vegan, PETA approved. Have you ever had a makeup job request where you were like, oh my goodness, I don't know if I wanna do that or can do that?
So I once had a model request to be covered in glitter from head to toe.
Okay.
Full body glitter.
Full body glitter.
Yep.
That's a lot of glitter. Or she was a very short model.
I started experimenting with makeup when I was 7 years old. And I remember I used to go to church and I would put bright red lipstick on, and I had like this glitter gel, and I would put it all over my cheeks. And then my grandma gave me like clip-on earrings, and my parents were just like, yeah, you look great. And I just rocked it.
Yeah, no wonder your mom suggested you go into makeup.
She knew.
She knew, right?
Moms always know.
Right? So, ThermaShape 2-in-1, this is a heat protectant spray. So this will protect the hair up to 450 degrees, but yet it still feels like hair. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't have a product feel in it.
Right. So what do you think is going to be the next trends, like in terms of hairstyles? Do you have any predictions?
The short bangs, the little baby bangs,
Really?
are actually starting to come back.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
Mostly with baby bangs, I've seen that on people who are more like alternative fashion.
Right? Like artsy people do it first.
Yep, and then it goes mainstream.
And then it goes mainstream,
Yeah.
and then artsy people go, baby bangs.
Yeah.
That was so last year.
Perfect. Oh, it feels so soft too. I feel so nice and refreshed. It looks amazing.
Awesome.
I just love that sharp edge.
Enjoy your hair.
Yay!
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my conversation with Kimberly. For more episodes and much more content, please check out the KMS Pro page on YouTube.